My journey to home instead senior care has many layers, but I believe my journey was divinely directed. I know what it is to feel alone and helpless in my time of need, and more importantly, I have been in a situation where my voice was simply not heard. I entered into a marketing position in an area of healthcare that affected primarily older adults. And I saw so many of them also feeling helpless and feeling misunderstood, overlooked, and their voices not heard. So as an advocate, I began to educate individuals on how to be heard. And then my journey took me to a place of educating those in the business community of how caregiver stress and family caregivers are affected by the impact of caring for their aging loved ones. And I thought I had done everything right in talking to my own mother about her wishes as she became older and might need a little bit of assistance. I couldn't have prepared myself for what it means to be the caregiver of your own mother as well as her sister, simply because I was the individual that was closest to help. So I understand the feelings. I understand often feelings of guilt and frustration and sometimes some anger. And my commitment to the families we serve will be that I'll walk alongside of them. I'll share my own experience because I've walked in their shoes. I will ensure that my caregivers treat your loved one with dignity and respect at all times and give them the opportunity to age where they choose to, aging in place at home.